I want to show you how we generate 30,000 leads per month using ChatGPT. Now, more specifically, I'm going to show you how we use ChatGPT to generate leads to close a high-ticket affiliate marketing sale. But of course, you can use the information in this video to close a high-ticket sale for your online course, for your e-com business, or any other online business. So buckle up, guys, because I'm going to show you how we generate thousands of leads for my affiliate marketing business. Let's get it. Now, real quick, guys, before I show you the step-by-step process on how I generate thousands of leads every single month for my affiliate marketing business, I want to show you some proof first. Now, I promote like 40 plus different products. Now, this is one of the products. As you can see, we've done over $128,000 with ClickFunnels. Now, here's Kartra. You can see over $59,000 in revenue here. This is the Get Response affiliate program. As you can see, over $27,000 here. And then right here, we have the System.io program, over $15,000 here. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is because I just want to show you guys proof that I'm walking the walk. I'm not out here just teaching affiliate marketing, but I'm in the trenches actually doing it. All right, guys. So step one when generating leads for your affiliate marketing business is we're going to use a software called igleads.io. Now, what this software is going to do is it's going to scrape cold emails from Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And then once we scrape these emails, we're going to go ahead and cold email these people. That way we can start a conversation with them. That way we can close a high ticket sale. So again, you're going to want to go to igleads.io. Now, I do have an affiliate link down in the YouTube description, and that link will take you directly to this website where you can get a free trial. So I'm going to leave that link down below. That way you guys can get a free trial to this software. All right, guys. So once you sign up for an account at IG Leads, it's going to take you to the back office. In step one, we need to scrape the emails. And then later on, we're going to go ahead and cold email them. That way we can get into a conversation. I'll explain that in just a little bit. Now, right here, guys, as you can see, we're going to want to scrape thousands and thousands of emails. Now, you can see right here, if we upgrade, you can get 10,000 emails a month with the starter package. And of course, if you want like unlimited emails, it's $119 a month, which is actually super, super cheap because we're going to get thousands and thousands of emails. And at this point, it's just a numbers game because we're going to be cold emailing all these people. Okay, so I'll show you the exact step-by-step process. But just for purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and scrape just 50 emails. Now, we're going to go ahead and scrape from Facebook. You can see we can scrape Facebook, Instagram. Like this is a awesome software, super, super cool. You can scrape Google, YouTube, and I'll make some more videos where I do the other platforms. But in this particular case, I'm going to just scrape Facebook, okay? And I'm going to start with the keywords. So I'm going to be looking for people that are interested in affiliate marketing, okay? So I'm going to just type in affiliate marketing. That way I can target that audience. Now, again, if you're targeting e-com people or real estate, you're going to want to type a keyword that pertains to that, okay? So that's the cool thing about this software. It doesn't just have to be affiliate marketers. It could be whatever it is that you're looking for, okay? Super, super powerful. Now, the next step is how many emails you want, right? So depending on what package you paid for, you can generate as many as you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do 50 just so I can show you an example in this video. So we're going to go ahead and search. As you can see, the software is now working, okay? And of course, once this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and generate a spreadsheet, and then I'll show you exactly what we do next. All right, guys, so now it's ready to go. I can go ahead and download this sheet right here. Now, just know it might take 5-10 minutes, so you guys can log off, and then you'll get an email when the emails are done, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and download this. Now, as you can see, I actually took the information and put it on a Google Drive. Now, as you can see, you get the email, the telephone, sometimes the name, where you got it from. There's a lot of data that you get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this data and I'm going to cold email them using a software. Now, before we move on, I'm going to go ahead and clean this up just a bit. Okay. So I'm going to delete all these columns here because all we need is the email and the name. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete all this here because we don't need this information, okay? Just so we can clean it up. So as you can see, now it's just, we have a name and an email, okay? Now, the cool thing is we can go ahead and go to the top. We call it cold emails, affiliate marketing, or whatever it is that you're trying to reach, okay? So here's my sheet right now. I have this in a Google Drive, okay? So you'll notice I added this in a Google Drive. So if I refresh this, you'll see here, this is the sheet that I got. Okay, now remember, I got this sheet from igleads.io. I went ahead and downloaded this and then added this to the Google Drive. Now, the reason why this needs to be in a Google Drive is because we need it here. That way, the next software we're gonna use is gonna read that data and then cold email them. So I'm gonna show you exactly how. Okay, so the next step is to download this software called GMass. Now, GMass is a Chrome extension that connects to your Gmail account. And what's really cool about it is it will literally send thousands of emails with the click of a button. So I'm gonna show you exactly how this works. Now, I'm gonna leave a link to GMass down in the YouTube description as well under the IG Leads link. This is also an affiliate link, but it will give you free access to the GMass software. Okay, so the next step is to now connect the spreadsheet to your Gmail account. Okay, so let me show you very, very easy. Okay, so once you download GMass and it's connected to your Gmail account, it's gonna look something like this. So you're gonna wanna hit compose here on the top left, and where it says to, you're gonna hit this little button here, okay, this little mailing button. And basically we're gonna connect from a Google Sheet. Now what this is gonna do is it's gonna read the Google Drive sheet, okay? So you'll notice here, cold emails affiliate marketing. This is the one that we just uploaded, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and connect to spreadsheet. And now what this is gonna do, it's gonna look at all the emails on there. Now the cool thing you'll notice here, it says 53 emails that were scraped. Now remember, these were the 50 emails that we scraped from IG Leads. Again, if you have thousands of emails, you can do this as well, okay? Again, for the purposes of this video, I'm just showing you how we did it with the 53 emails, okay? So now what we can do is go ahead and write a cold email to get these people to purchase our high ticket affiliate product or whatever it is that we're wanting to promote. Okay, so the next step is we're gonna go to ChatGPT and we're gonna ask it to write us a cold outreach email. That way we can get people to either go to our links or more importantly, so we can start a conversation with them. So in this particular example, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to message us on Instagram because that's where we can have a DM conversation with them and then hopefully close a high ticket sale. Now, before I show you the email, I wanna show you proof that this works extremely well. Now, this is someone that reached out and they said, help me. And basically, I can then get into a conversation with them, okay? Now, this particular person, we were able to close a high ticket sale within a few weeks, but we went back and forth through our personal DM script, and then basically we were able to close the high ticket sale. And if I scroll to the bottom of this conversation, you can see this person purchased our high ticket affiliate offer. And as you can see, I even sent a personal reply thanking that person for buying the product. So going back to ChatGPT, I wanna show you exactly what I asked it in order to get somebody to message me on Instagram. Now, this is the exact email here. I said, write a cold outreach email talking about how I can help them quit their job, and I will include weekly coaching as well. I said, make sure you mention my name is Jonathan Montoya, and I have a YouTube channel of 50,000 subscribers if they wanna look me up. Make sure the call to action is message me the word help me on Instagram so I can personally have a conversation with them, okay? So that's what I asked ChatGPT to write as far as a cold email, and it actually did a really, really good job, okay? So I'm not gonna read the whole email, but I'll kind of scroll through this and you guys can stop it if you want. But you'll notice here, it says, simply message me the word help me on Instagram. And again, this is where people can have a conversation with me on Instagram, and that's where I can go ahead and sell them the high ticket program where I can help them quit their 9-to-5 job. Now, of course, you can use ChatGPT to write a cold email, and your call to action could be, hey, book a call with me, or it could be, let's get on the phone. For me personally, it's easier if I can have them message me a certain word on Instagram, so that way I know exactly they came from this cold email outreach. So when I say message me the word and then whatever it is, I want that word to be something that I know came from this cold email. So now going back to ChatGPT, I can go ahead and copy this subject here. I can go back to Gmail and hit that subject here. Okay, so here's the subject. Going back to ChatGPT, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this entire email, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add that inside of here, okay? So there it is right here. Obviously, I don't wanna throw all the gray stuff, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it. That way, you know, we could go ahead and make the video. But dear recipient's name, and you can go ahead and take this out and you can add their name if you want. Again, remember you're sending a mass email. So I'm not gonna add the name here. I'm just gonna put hello and then with the comma. And the reason why I'm doing this is because all the names that it scraped, sometimes it didn't have their actual name. So I don't wanna cold email them and it doesn't have their actual name. I think that might be kind of weird. So I'm just gonna say hello and then keep this email here. Obviously, we want them to email us or message us that keyword. That way they can go ahead and message us on Instagram or Facebook or wherever you want them to message you, okay? Now, this is very powerful because again, I'm saying this to 53 people with a click of a button. Okay, so once your email is done, you could go ahead and click on GMass here at the bottom, okay? So if I click on this, it's gonna ask you, you're about to send a campaign to a large amount of addresses. Are you sure? Okay, so you can go ahead and hit send it, and that's gonna send the email to everyone on that spreadsheet, guys. And then now you're just gonna wait for GMass to send all those emails. So imagine doing this with 1,000 people a day, right? Again, this is just a numbers game. And then you can get in conversation with them on Instagram, or you can book a call or whatever it is that you want to do. And that's it, guys. This is the process on how we generate an extra 20,000 leads per month and how we get them to follow us on Instagram. And again, we then get in a conversation with them. Now, I have a free gift for you guys just for watching this video. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I go through a certain DM script that gets people to buy a high ticket product. Now, the gift just for watching till the end of this video is I want to give you that DM script. I want you to be able to look at that script and to be able to close a high ticket sale. So this is what you have to do to get access to this DM script. So you're gonna wanna go to my Instagram, Jonathan_Montoya24. You'll know this is me because it has the verified symbol here. And basically all I want you to do is send me a message with the word $20,000 per month script. That way I know you came from this particular YouTube video and I will gift that to you 100% free just for watching this video. And the last favor is just to comment down below what you learned from this video and let me know if you're gonna take action immediately. That way you can start earning commissions using ChatGPT and affiliate marketing. And of course, please subscribe to this channel if you found any value at all. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless, and we'll see you on the next video.